Keeping your home cool all day long can be a real challenge, especially if you have to keep the windows open to avoid using the air conditioner. It's not only expensive to run an air conditioner, but it's also really loud. You can't even have a conversation with someone in the same room when the AC is running. A whisper quiet operation, whole house fan, from the Whole House Fan Company, is the most effective way to cool your home, while eliminating unnecessary loud noise, for a fraction of the energy cost of running your air conditioner. This revolutionary, whisper quiet operation whole house fan, quietly replaces the air in your home, at a rate of 15 to 20 times per hour. This results in healthier air quality, and a drop in air conditioner usage, by 50 to 90%. Celebrate St. Patrick's Day with $300 off on whole house fan installation, and join over 98% of customers satisfied, and now enjoying better health, cooler and quieter homes, for just pennies per hour.
The Quiet Cool system is definitely the best home improvement technology that we've invested in our home. It's actually cost the least and it's saved us the most.
I would say that the Quiet Cool has been kind of the best improvement we've done so far. We were thinking about redoing a full house AC unit instead of what we were currently using, and the Quiet Cool got rid of the need to do that. So for us, it was a great improvement.
Learn how you can install a whole house fan today, and visit Whole House Fan Company, socal.com/SE, to get your free estimate.